That's great news, love. You've got a job on that new industrial estate.
Yes, Mum. It's the place to be, you know. All the big people are up there.
I know. Bird's Eyes, Croft, and that new flash photography place, Kojak.
No, Mum. Bird's Eye, Craft and Kodak.
Oh, you know I get mixed up with them, don't you?
Mum, my dad's outside the pub being a fine with Charlie Chance, who's the artist. Uncle Charlie shouted, I've seen bricks getting turned into a pub before, but never thrown out of it.
It's great that everyone's there. They were only there waiting to see the flats blowing up. And the next thing, the house came down too.
That was supposed to happen, Divvy.
It's all happening all the time, Mum. You don't know what you're missing.
And Mum, Ian Grimshaw's moving all of their stuff onto a horse and cart. It's to a new house, Divvy.
I don't know. The sooner that Centre 63 opens up and get rid of all these kids running around everywhere, the better.
Seen that David Woodhouse the other day? Do you know the new warden of that centre? He said it's not too far off now.
Oh, I remember the days you used to be able to run all the way from the Fantail to Fazakerley.
Nan, we all know the farmer's fields.
And the fresh air. Who's coming to Tiny?
Anyway, I'm off to go and get your father.
He'll be needing to move into one of those bomb-proof houses by the time she's finished with them.